It's a great day to get in and drive away in this 2022 F-150 XLT in antimatter blue. It has dark slate cloth interior, seating for 6, 4 doors, and a 5.5-foot box. It has a 3.5-liter EcoBoost engine paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. And you're noticing that XTR badging? That just means that it has a little bling with chrome accents. Chrome bumper, fender, running board, and handles, and as well it has a line box with box link as well as tailgate assist, and it has a sliding power rear window and so many more features. If you'd like to take this vehicle out on a test drive, you can book that online at islandford.ca. Stay tuned, we're going to have a look under the hood and inside and out. This is a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine. It's paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, and it's a 4x4. Let's have a look inside. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power locks, windows, and mirrors. The driver's seat and passenger seat are powered with lumbar. You have all-weather mats on the floor, electronic parking brake, high mount light, lighting controls, and your LED side view mirror spotlights. The tailgate release is located there, and you've got a running board and a grab handle to make it easier to get in. And then on the face of the steering wheel is your lane keeping, as well as cruise control, volume, your menu, and hands-free dialing. Now this is a push start, so my foot's on the brake, keys in the pocket. We're going to push the engine start stop button. You're going to see any important messages, your odometer reading, and the menu will come up as well. So you've got my view, trip fuel, truck info, towing, phone, audio, settings, and these all have sub-menus. You have an automatic select shifter and a little cubby up top. You have your camera view, so we're seeing out the back there. And then we also can go into our audio and just touch on the screen here. We can go into sources, AM, FM, Bluetooth, stereo. Up top, we've got our hazard lights, traction control. And then we also have features in here, zone lighting, owner's manual. You can go into the settings again. You can just slide through. By the way, this is just a little protective cover on the screen, and that would come off when you purchase the vehicle. You can change the look of your display screen. You can go into the vehicle information, the clock, and software updates, and so forth. And then down below is your volume and tuner. You have your dual climate control and heated seats for driver and passenger, your AC and max AC. There's the fan, front and rear defrost. And then down below, USB, USB-C, as well as a 12 volt. You've got a little cubby. And then your Pro Trailer backup, integrated trailer brake controller, and 4x4, and you've got drive mode. So as we dial through that, you're gonna see it on your dash, so normal, and watch the icons change. Tow haul, eco, sport, and we're going to go back around to the other side, slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts. So this allows you to make changes to get more or less traction depending on what the weather's doing, what the road conditions are doing. So in the center here, we have an armrest with a couple of cup holders. You can open it up, lots of storage in there, and then flip the seat up for another seating position. It has its own seat belt. You can unclip underneath. That gives you more storage down below. Off to the side, you have a 12 volt, and you also have a 120. You have 2 glove compartments. The bottom one's locking, and this one releases from here. Auto dimming, rear view mirror, your lighting controls, sunglass holder, and you have a power sliding window in the rear, and that's what that's for, and a grab handle in the body, just making it easier to get in. 20-inch wheels and mud flaps, chrome and magnetic running board, chrome door handle with intelligent access. That means when the fob's in close proximity, you can lock and unlock the doors, and you have keyless entry keypad. Driver's side, capless, easy fuel gas filler. The XTR badging, which means that the vehicle has chrome accents, and you'll notice the chrome handle on the tailgate. The tailgate is lockable and removable, and you have your backup camera just above that handle and the LED light to the right. Backup sensors on your bumper, 4 and 7-pin connector, trailer hitch, and a locking spare tire. And then when you're ready to open up that tailgate, you simply double click the fob. It powers it down, and you notice the light came on. It's because it detected the key because we were so close. You've got a nice line box with tie downs in all 4 corners, as well as box link. And you also have your outlet located here. And on the end of the tailgate, you'll notice you have a position here for clamps on the left and on the right. And then when you're ready, just close it up, lock it up, and walk away, or jump in and head out on your latest adventure. Your fob also has remote start. Just double click and it'll start up the vehicle when it's locked. Storage and speaker in the door, as well as power windows. There's a grab handle in the body and seating for 3 with a 60-40 split. Easily lift the seat with one hand. It's in the upright position, giving you more room on the floor, and then pull the tab to bring the seat back down. There's anchors at the base to be able to tether baby seats. All-weather mat from one end to the other for easy cleanup. Got a couple of cup holders, 12-volt, USB, USB-C, extra carpeted mats, another grab handle on the driver's side, lighting and hooks. In the back, access to a power sliding window and rear defrost. Chrome bumper, 5.5-foot lined box, mud flaps, privacy glass in the back windows with window vents, adjustable side view mirrors with blind spot information system, LED headlights, fog lights, tow hooks, and so many more reasons to visit us. If you like this video and would like to see more, please subscribe. We have plenty to share with you, and we'd love to hear your comments.